inside in the air conditioning.
Air conditioning, that is the key this weekend. It's going to be hot and muggy. We need the AC on this whole entire weekend. I mean, for the next several months. This is just the beginning of what we know what is to come in just a few short weeks in the middle of summer when it gets really hot. Temperatures right now still 81 degrees at this hour. Feels like 87 because our dew points are in the mid 70s, so it is plenty humid out there. We'll see a bit more cloud cover overnight tonight. Temperatures should cool to the mid upper 70s both sides of the lake tomorrow morning, so it's still warm early tomorrow. All these storms still positioned up to our north through Arkansas and East Texas. Severe weather with that. That's going to bring us the additional cloud cover, but we're not going to see any storms or any rain with that. That is going to not reach our area. Once again, we've been looking out, not seeing these storms come into play for us. Tomorrow is going to be dry. We'll start with the clouds. We'll see a mix of sunshine and clouds all day tomorrow. Beautiful weather, and we miss out on another batch of storms that will form way to our north tomorrow and again on Sunday. So Sunday again bringing us a blend of sun and clouds and really a picture perfect weekend, but a very warm and humid one. Overnight, the severe weather with that batch of storms will be positioned to our north, and then tomorrow, big severe risk for the southern plains through Oklahoma and Kansas. They're expecting quite a bit of rough weather tomorrow, and getting into Sunday, more severe weather expected for parts of the Midwest. Don't have to worry about any strong storms coming our way. Really over the next week, no big systems that are going to be impacting us. So that means no real rain-making systems to have to deal with other than this big upper ridge of high pressure that we've been really talking about for the last several days because it's not going anywhere. This is what is impacting our weather. This high pressure centered over Mexico, bringing them really hot weather, triple-digit air temperatures for them and for South Texas this entire weekend. For us, we stay in the low 90s. You know, it could be worse. Low 90s for us, pretty manageable. It's just going to be hot for many days and really no signs of a cool down until later next week. A weak front should still get to make its way down into the deep south, and with that could bring us some slightly drier air. By Wednesday and Thursday of next week, it could be a little less humid. That's really it. It's still going to be warm, and that slightly lower humidity, that slight dip in humidity will actually probably stay with us until Friday of next week. So that's something to look forward to. Tomorrow morning, again, temperatures in the 70s, both sides of the lake. It's going to be a mild and humid start. Temperatures in the low 90s for the afternoon highs tomorrow and Sunday. Middle 90s for Memorial Day on Monday. Factoring in the humidity, it'll probably feel like around 100 degrees every afternoon, maybe up to 103, 104 on Monday afternoon for Memorial Day. Lower 90s expected Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe upper 80s for Thursday and Friday with a slightly less humid feel the second half of next week. Chance of rain staying at 0 this entire weekend. Monday, there is a very small chance for a stray shower. I think most of us stay dry on Monday for Memorial Day, which is great for outdoor plans. By Tuesday and Thursday of next week, those are our best bets to see a few scattered showers and storms. Still keeping only a 30% chance for rain those 2 days, but at least next week we may see the chance for a couple pop-up cooling showers and rumbles of thunder. So here's your Memorial Day forecast. Make sure you stay cool and hydrated. We'll have lots of sun. It's going to be hot, feeling like around 100 degrees every afternoon. Definitely take those breaks in the shade. Try not to overdo it, especially if you'll be like playing outside or doing any kind of activities outside. Make sure you use the sunscreen and the sun protection. All of that is a must this weekend, and make sure you wear those light, loose-fitting clothes. And as we get into the next several days, that's really it. Temperatures in the 90s, hot, humid, no signs of a cool down until maybe that slight relief coming next week with a small dip in humidity.